How to change the order of product variant options. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So for example, I'm just going to show you one product that I have here, and I have a messy order of the variants here. For example, I have size and it starts large, then X large, and then S, and then small. So it doesn't really make sense. So if I want to reorder that, I can feel free to do so very easily, and I will show you exactly how to right now. So very simply, just go back to your Shopify admin, go to the products page, click on that, and then you simply just want to open up the product where you want to reorder the variant options. And now you simply just want to scroll down until you find the variants option. You should be able to see this right here, which is the size for me. It could be colors for you, it could be materials for you, whatever it may be. You simply just want to click on it. And then once you actually click on it, you're going to be able to see these 6 dots next to each name of the values. So you simply just want to drag and drop them as you like. So for example, we can start small, medium, large, and then X large. And we can just click on done. And if you have another type of variant, like for example materials, again you just simply click on it and rearrange them as you like. Click on done, save, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Now we can actually go ahead and view it one more time from our online store and see that the changes have applied. So we can just click on this one and we can actually see now small, medium, large, and extra large. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.